Hello, friends. So this is Ridhima, and today she has finished her course. She's from Germany, and this is Arun Kumar Singh, and we have completed a basic course with her. And over to Ridhima for her feeling about the course, her feedback about the course. Yes, over to Ridhima.
So I found it so nice, and I have also so interesting in math also, and I will say this also of my friends because it is so nice and so easy to do it.
So, did you find that it is helping you to solve mathematics very easily?
Yes, sir.
So, will you recommend this course to your family members, your relatives, and your friends?
Yes, sir. Sure, I will do it.
So, have you done?
Yes, I have told my some friends.
Okay, are you recommending this course to all my Facebook friends? Because it will be on Facebook and all the social media. I will be sharing. So, are you recommending this course to all my social media friends?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks. Thanks a lot for giving your feedback, and
Yes.
we wish you very best. Thank you. Thank you
Thank
very
you, sir.
much.